Hey there, nerd fighters. I am here back with a video all about, wait for it, Brussels sprouts. I know. You might be thinking, Brussels sprouts? Those tiny cabbages that everyone seems to either love or hate. But trust me on this one. These little green orbs are way more fascinating than you might think. We're about to embark on a journey of discovery, unearthing 10 funky facts about Brussels sprouts that might just change your perspective on this misunderstood veggie. We're talking history, health benefits, and maybe even a little bit of culinary inspiration along the way. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and get ready to have your minds blown by the power of the Brussels sprout. First up, let's talk family. Brussels sprouts belong to the cruciferous vegetable family. This means they're related to kale, broccoli, and cabbage. And just like their leafy relatives, Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses. We're talking vitamins, minerals, and even some compounds that scientists believe could have some pretty amazing health benefits. There have actually been studies looking into the potential cancer-fighting properties of cruciferous veggies. And while more research is always a good thing, the early results are pretty darn interesting. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember that picking up some Brussels sprouts is like adding a whole team of superheroes to your diet. They're here to fight for your health, one delicious bite at a time. Okay, time for a little history lesson. As you might have guessed from the name, Brussels sprouts have a strong connection to Brussels, Belgium. These mini cabbages have been cultivated in and around Brussels since the 13th century. That's right, these little guys have been around for centuries. Legend has it that Belgian farmers were the first to cultivate Brussels sprouts, and they quickly became a staple crop in the region. And you know what? They're still incredibly popular in Belgium today. In fact, if you ever find yourself wandering the streets of Brussels, you'll likely stumble upon countless restaurants serving up delicious dishes featuring these iconic green gems. Now let's dive into the nutritional nitty-gritty. Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins and minerals, including an impressive amount of vitamin K. We're talking 1 cup of cooked Brussels sprouts providing you with over 100% of your daily recommended intake. But why is vitamin K so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in blood clotting, which helps your body heal wounds and prevents excessive bleeding. But that's not all. Vitamin K is also essential for bone health, helping to increase bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. So, by incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs for strong bones and healthy blood clotting. Fighting inflammation, one bite at a time. Here's another reason to love Brussels sprouts. They're packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a whole host of health problems from heart disease to cancer. But don't worry, Brussels sprouts are here to help. Studies have shown that consuming cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts can actually reduce markers of inflammation in the body. That means these tiny cabbages could potentially play a role in preventing those chronic diseases we talked about. So, by adding Brussels sprouts to your plate, you're not just enjoying a tasty side dish, you're actively fighting inflammation and supporting your overall health. Fiber up. Feeling sluggish after a meal? Brussels sprouts can help with that too. These little green wonders are a great source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, helping to keep things moving along smoothly and preventing constipation. But it doesn't stop there. Soluble fiber in particular has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce your risk of heart disease. And guess what? Brussels sprouts are a good source of soluble fiber. So by adding these fiber-rich veggies to your diet, you're not only supporting your digestive health, but you're also taking steps to protect your heart. Building strong bones, naturally. Remember how we talked about vitamin K being important for bone health? Well, Brussels sprouts have another trick up their sleeve when it comes to building strong bones. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that's essential for healthy bones, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume higher amounts of vitamin C have a lower risk of bone fractures. So, by incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to build and maintain strong, healthy bones. Low in calories, high in awesomeness. If you're watching your weight, Brussels sprouts are your new best friend. These little guys are incredibly low in calories, with just 1 cup of cooked Brussels sprouts clocking in at around 60 calories. But don't let their low-calorie count fool you. Brussels sprouts are packed with nutrients, making them a nutrient-dense food. That means you're getting a whole lot of nutritional bang for your caloric buck. So whether you're trying to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy weight, Brussels sprouts are a great addition to your diet. Happy heart, happy life. We've already talked about how the fiber in Brussels sprouts can help lower cholesterol levels. But did you know that these little green gems can also support heart health in other ways? Brussels sprouts contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to improve blood pressure and protect against artery damage. High blood pressure and damaged arteries are major risk factors for heart disease, so anything you can do to keep those in check is a good thing. By adding Brussels sprouts to your diet, you're giving your heart some extra love and support. Cancer-fighting Crusaders. Okay, time to talk about the big C. Cancer is a complex disease with many different causes, but research suggests that diet can play a role in both cancer prevention and treatment. And guess what? Brussels sprouts might just be cancer-fighting crusaders. Remember those cruciferous cousins we talked about earlier? Well, they contain compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into other compounds, including sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and even promoting cancer cell death. While more research is always needed, the early findings on Brussels sprouts and cancer prevention are pretty darn promising. Beyond boiled delicious ways to enjoy Brussels sprouts. For far too long, Brussels sprouts have been relegated to the realm of overcooked, mushy side dishes. But it's time to ditch that outdated image and embrace the versatility of this delicious veggie. Brussels sprouts can be roasted, sautéed, grilled, shredded into slaws, and even enjoyed raw. One of my favorite ways to prepare them is to toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Then, roast them in a hot oven until they're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. You can also get creative with seasonings. Try adding garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an extra flavor boost. The Brussels sprouts redemption. So there you have it. 10 funky facts about Brussels sprouts that prove these little green orbs are anything but boring. From their impressive nutritional profile to their potential health benefits, there's a lot to love about this misunderstood veggie. I hope this video has inspired you to give Brussels sprouts another chance, or, if you're already a fan, to appreciate them even more. They're versatile, delicious, and good for you. What more could you ask for? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Brussels sprouts, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative content. Thanks for watching.